Agents for websites are about to change how the internet works. Right now, most websites are losing visitors every single day, not because people aren't interested, but because they can't find answers fast enough. In this video, I'm going to show you how AI agents can answer questions instantly, guide visitors through your website, and turn confused visitors into customers. And once you see how this works, you'll understand why almost every website will eventually have an AI agent. Most website owners think visitors leave because they aren't interested. But the real reason is usually much simpler. Visitors arrive on a website with a question in mind. Maybe they want to know, do you offer this service? Which product should I buy? How much does this cost? Do you ship internationally? If the answer isn't obvious within a few seconds, people start clicking around the site trying to find it, and if it still isn't clear, they leave. So businesses lose potential customers every day, not because people didn't want what they offer, but because the website made it too hard to find answers. And that's exactly the kind of problem AI agents are designed to solve. And this isn't just a problem for one type of website. AI agents can help almost any kind of business. Service businesses answering questions about services, online stores helping customers find the right products, consultants explaining their offerings, nonprofits helping visitors understand programs or donations. Any website where visitors have questions can benefit from an AI agent guiding them. If people need information before they contact you or buy something, an AI agent can make that process much easier. So what exactly is an AI agent for a website? Think of it as an intelligent guide built directly into your website. Instead of forcing visitors to search through menus and pages, they can simply ask a question. For example, what services do you offer? Which products should I start with? How do I get started? The AI agent reads the information on your website and answers instantly. That means visitors get answers immediately instead of guessing where to click. And when people find answers quickly, they're much more likely to stay on your website. Instead of visitors doing all the work, the website begins helping them directly. If you're interested in how AI can actually help websites, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be sharing real examples of AI agents being used on websites, online stores, and businesses. Let me show you what this actually looks like. Imagine someone visits your website and asks, do you offer consultations? An AI agent can immediately respond using the information on your site and guide the visitor to the correct page. Or someone might ask, which product should I buy first? The AI can recommend options and point them to the right product. Instead of visitors wandering around the site trying to figure things out, they get help instantly. That simple change can dramatically improve how visitors experience your website. If you'd like to see what an AI agent on a website actually looks like, you can try one yourself. Just visit sageaisolutions.com, click Demos, or try the AI agent right on the home page and see how it works. Websites are about to become much more interactive. For years, websites mostly have been static pages people click through, but AI agents allow websites to respond directly to visitors. They can answer questions, guide visitors through the site, and help people find exactly what they need much faster. Websites that help visitors quickly will always outperform websites that confuse them. And that's why AI agents are quickly becoming one of the most powerful tools businesses can add to their websites. If your website is losing visitors because people can't find answers quickly, an AI agent can completely change that experience. Instead of visitors leaving frustrated, they get help instantly and can easily find what they're looking for. Now that you've seen how AI agents can stop visitors from leaving your website, the next question is, what can an AI agent actually do on a website? In the next video, I'm going to show you real examples of AI agents answering questions, guiding visitors, and helping customers find exactly what they need. So make sure you subscribe and watch that video next, because once you see what these AI agents can actually do, the possibilities become much clearer. Thank you.